just arrived today, and if I just quickly just go here, that is the box that it's come with. So this, if you look here, it's a Terry's Club Classic 1622. Okay, as you can see here, the box is £25.65 to buy from Amazon. And if I go ahead and open the box to see exactly what's inside, you get this top compartment, which is the same as that. So the extra that they're charging you for is this handle, this file, this junior hacksaw, a couple of bits here. I have no idea what the rest of this stuff is, but a ruler, some cutters or pliers. What is this thing? So flat pliers, some files, and open this thing up. I have no idea what tool this is, but I mean, this is what's come. To me, looking at this, it doesn't seem worthwhile as a, because this guy wants to get into making jewelry and stuff, so he says go ahead, please order this for me, and that's exactly what arrives. I mean, is it, to be honest, is this really worth spending that extra? So these are all the files that are inside, so you've got numerous files here as well for making all this jewelry. So as you can see here, this sort of stuff here. So this is all the stuff that came in this kit that he's asked me to get for him. Now, to be honest, is it worth spending? Couldn't you just buy these things separately? So if I go back to the listing here, so that's the listing here. So student starter kit, full product details. So yes, so you get your 3 adjustable saw frames, you get a pack guide, Cookson saw blade, 144 blades. I'm not sure if I see that there. You get some nose pliers, some round ones and some snipe ones. You get an 8 question mark pillar file, cut 00, wood file handle, 6 times of these things. Don't know what they are. There's like numerous needle files and stuff as well. Engineer's ruler, steel scribe, emery sticks, and a Terry's Club Classic box. So that's the box that it comes in, and it comes with all this stuff. Now, honestly, to me, this doesn't seem worth spending £80, 96p. Again, the guy asked me to get it for him, so I'm not going to basically, you know, say no, you can't, or it's not worth it. He's paying for it, so he's paying me to buy this for him. But to be honest, you could buy these files and things separately, quite cheap. And if I was someone in the market to go out there, be a hobbyist and make, I don't know, jewelry, costume jewelry or whatever for the Etsy store or something, spending £80, 96p seems like a bit of an expensive or overpriced investment. And you got some reviews here. Now, to be honest, reviews I don't trust at all. It says verified. This person hasn't been delivered, bought from a partner, just started journey into silversmith. Great kit, perfect kit. I mean, it could be good, who knows? I mean, who knows? But are these genuine reviews? So you have to bear that with a pinch of salt as well. Super everything on one. Who knows, man? Who knows? Anyway, you guys can be the judge of that. Tell me, is it worth? Was this worth the investment that guy made? He asked me to buy it for him on his behalf because he didn't have the facility to buy it. Went ahead, he paid me in cash, and I went ahead and bought it on my card. So help the guy out. So there you go. That's what you end up spending. Honestly, this doesn't seem worthwhile to me, but who knows? You can tell me that. You can be the judge of that. Is it worth spending that sort of amount of money for this kit? Anyway, this has been Ace. I hope you liked this video, and as always, Ace out.